up you guys? This is just another short video and this is for the group members of Five Sampaguita. Gusto ko lang bumati sa inyo na Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And to all my friends, si Berwin, si Chin, si Renzel, si Matison, si Jovelyn, si Malones, si Camille, and is that all? Yeah, if I forget somebody, I'll just make another video to greet you guys. So, kayo mga binanggit ko, you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And, nga pala, si Rocky Lee, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Sana, I hope you enjoy it and I'll enjoy mine. So, this was my surprise para sa inyo. And, marami akong Christmas wish this year. And one of those Christmas wish is, sana magka-reunion tayo ulit, makapagbakasyon ako dyan, makita ko yung ulit. Makahangout tayo. Like a memory of a lifetime. So, ganun. So, that's my wish for you guys. Sana lagi kayo mag-iingat dyan. And hopefully, sana magkita-kita tayo ulit. Alright? Alright, peace out.